Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Herne taking a look at number 78 Mill Lane. Located up this long private driveway, we've got a very stylish and contemporary bungalow, beautifully tucked away to give you that really nice private aspect, and there's a lot to take a look at with this one today, so we're going to do our best to take it all in, and I'm sure by the end of it you're going to have a few questions for us. So this property itself offers 3 double bedrooms with the ensuite to the master. We've got an absolutely stunning kitchen dining space with the vaulted ceiling, which will be the first room that we go through into from the hallway. We've got here a very large rear garden with excellent privacy throughout. We've got the dual aspect lounge with bifolding doors, oak and travertine flooring with oak doors as well, an insulated summer house with power, and the property is only 11 years old and presented in absolutely impeccable order throughout. So continuing on the tour here, we've got here the kitchen, a beautiful open space with the vaulted ceiling, the range of appliances here fitted with plenty of worktop space, plenty of storage space there, lots and lots of light coming through, and then of course the doors at the side giving you access to the side garden and the summer house. So plenty of room in here for the dining or breakfast table, and then coming through into the hallway space, we're just going to head across now and take a look at the first of 3 double bedrooms. So the first one here, fantastic double master suite, lots of light coming through from the windows at the front, plenty of room in here for the double bed, and then just to the rear you can see there the open shower room. Really nice modern finish in there with the loo, sink and corner shower unit, so plenty of space to work with, and that really nice modern finish again. Through from the hallway, we're going to head into the lounge up next, take a look at what we've got in here, and you'll see again that beautiful dual aspect, lots of light coming through from both sides, the bifolding doors leading out into the back garden, and the really nice addition there of the wood burning stove in the corner for those wonderful cozy winter evenings. You've got that gorgeous wood flooring running throughout the space, and you get a first little glimpse here of what your back garden has to offer you. A slightly extended garden space here, really giving you that wonderful aspect of privacy and plenty of space to enjoy throughout the year. So coming back through the lounge space, we're going to head across the hallway and go through and take a look at the last of the bedrooms. We've got 2 more double bedrooms to take a look at, and we've also got the main family bathroom to look at as well. So let's head through into the bathroom, take a look at what we've got there. You'll see a wonderful modern finish as we've come to expect throughout the entire property, with a traditional layout with the loo and sink on the left hand side. Straight ahead of us there we've also got the bath unit and the shower with the screen to the side. So coming back out into the hallway, we're just going to head through and across and take a look at the last of those bedrooms. 2 double bedrooms here to the rear of number 78 Mill Lane. Fantastic rooms, lots of light coming through from the rear there, and again a really nice outlook onto the back garden. So I'll leave you for a few moments to take in the bedroom spaces and the garden. Lots and lots to look at from there. We will go through and take a look at the insulated summer house with power as well. And then we'll start to reconvene a little bit later on, go through a couple of the property's key points. So here we are in the back garden. We're just going through into the summer house with the power here, and then of course we'll go into the back garden. A few little pointers on the location here as well. Easily accessible for Herne Bay and Canterbury. Fantastic bus routes on your doorstep, and you've also got an arrangement of shops nearby, as well as the dentists and pharmacy just around the corner, as well as the doctor's surgery. So a very, very popular location indeed in terms of practicality and convenience. So I'll leave you just for a few moments to take in the back garden space, and we'll reconvene in a few moments just to go through the property's key points. So there we have it. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at number 70A Mill Lane, a very stylish contemporary bungalow tucked away down a long private driveway and only 11 years old. This property offers you 3 double bedrooms with the master ensuite. You've got a stunning kitchen dining space with the vaulted ceiling. You've got this gorgeous rear garden with wonderful aspect of privacy, and of course you've got that beautiful lounge with the bifolding doors leading into the back garden. In terms of parking, you've got a huge amount of it at the front with the garage as well, and you've also got the solar panels here too. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.